Vanguard, or trading to 1-2, which one is actually better for UK investors?
Let's break it down in under 3 minutes. Vanguard is built for long-term, passive investing.
Trading to 1-2 is built for flexibility, choice and commission-free investing. Fees.
Vanguard charges a 0.15% platform fee, capped at £375 a year.
Trading to 1-2 charges no platform fee and no commission. So if you want the lowest cost platform, trading to 1-2 wins investment choice.
Vanguard gives you around 80 index funds and ETFs.
Trading to 1-2 gives you thousands of stocks and ETFs, plus fractional shares, ease of use.
Vanguard's platform is basic and slow.
Trading to 1-2 is modern, fast and beginner-friendly. ISA differences.
Both offer a stocks and shares ISA. Vanguard only lets you invest in Vanguard funds.
Trading to 1-2 lets you invest in almost anything on the platform, who each is best for.
Choose Vanguard if you want a simple, long-term index fund strategy.
Choose trading to 1-2 if you want zero fees, more choice, and a modern app.
Finally, both platforms are great. It just depends on your style. Subscribe for more UK investing breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for outreach.